Hi guys! Welcome po sa aking YouTube channel. Yes, it's me, Miss Icy. A new life, a new beginning, a new vlogging. So for today's video guys, but by the way, I know some of you are very familiar who is in front of the camera right now. Yes, it's me, it's Aiza Nisperos. Sa mga nakakakilala pa sa aking first channel, ayan po. Aiza Nisperos and Miss Icy. They are the same. Ayan. The same lang po yan. But anyways, ayan. So hopefully, maging friends tayo dito sa aking second channel. So yan guys. So by the way, what is all about my vlog today? For this vlog, I'm going to show you guys something like what I've got last Christmas. So last Christmas lang itong 2024. And yun. So I'm going to show you what I've got. So, yung boss ko, binigyan ako ng gift. This is what she gave it to me. And it's very special kasi it's ordered free from Turkey. So, binili niya ito from Turkey. And doon kasi siya ng 3 weeks sa Turkey. And naiwan ako dito sa KSA. Pero hindi kami, we don't live together. I live in my apartment. She lives in her house, so I go there to work every day. Pero may driver naman kami, char. Ayan, so yun guys, share ko lang sa inyo ng konti. So ito yung binili niya sa akin guys. Binili ito ng Christmas. Ayan. So meron pa siyang card. Ayan. So binuksan ko na siya. So hindi na siya. So yan. Dear Aiza, happy holidays from Gada. Yan, dito sa KSA, hindi kami mahilig magtawag ng ma'am or sir. Sila ka na. So ito din yun, nakabalot siya. Dito sa paper. And this is what she got from. It's a bangle. Yan. So, yan siya guys. So, hindi naman ako masyadong jewelry type of girl. Yan. Ang tight niyang buksan guys. Ayan pala. Ang hirap niyang buksan. Ganito kasi pag hindi na babang nagsasad ng mga jewelry. Ang katulad ko. Yan, sagit lang Ang tight. Hindi ko siya mabisang basa. Ito siya guys, from Turkey.